Is it time to buy or sell Upstart stock? In this video, we will explore Upstart in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 3rd of June, 2025, our system has ranked Upstart as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.70. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 62.06% since we first listed Upstart as a buy candidate 44 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.41% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 95% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 81.5% to 113.73%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of about 25.76%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 36.80% to an increase of 49.78% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $52.21 and $123.75. Our latest daily update for Upstart includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Upstart stock after losing a fraction over 1/4%. The Upstart stock price fell by a fraction over 1/4% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, dropping from $82.83 to $82.62. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.6%, reaching a low of $80.03 and a high of $85.31. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but has still risen by 3.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, even as prices fell. This could signal an early warning, with a slight increase in risk anticipated over the next couple of days. In total, 9 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $774,430,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $96.43, while the lowest was $23.20. Currently, the stock price is 14.32%, or $13.81, below the 52-week high, and 79.42%, or $318.87, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of October, 2021, when the price hit $401.49. Upstart Holdings Incorporated has just announced its second quarter results for 2025, showcasing significant growth with a remarkable 67% year-over-year revenue increase and a staggering 89% surge in transaction volume. This robust performance reflects the effectiveness of Upstart's AI-driven lending platform, which utilizes over 2,500 variables to enhance loan underwriting accuracy. The company is seeing strong growth in new segments, particularly auto loans and home equity lines of credit, with the latter experiencing a 6-fold year-over-year increase in originations. Market analysts are optimistic, initiating buy ratings on UPST with projected revenue growth of 60% for the full fiscal year. Despite some concerns regarding the company's net debt of $735 million and its reliance on funding, the macroeconomic landscape is shifting favorably. Anticipated declines in interest rates could potentially lead to heightened demand for loans. In the short term, these developments are likely to generate positive momentum and attract investor interest, potentially boosting UPST's stock price as more bullish sentiments gain traction. In the long term, if Upstart continues to capitalize on its competitive edge in AI technology and maintain strong growth metrics, it could position itself as a significant player in the lending market, supporting projections of its stock hitting $100 by mid-2026. Overall, today's announcement set a highly optimistic tone for both UPST's short and long-term outlook. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 11th of November 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned UPST a neutral rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Friday, the 8th of November 2024, Citigroup rated UPST as a buy with an upgrade action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also rated UPST as overweight, indicating an upgrade action. Earlier, on Friday, the 18th of October 2024, Citigroup had assigned UPST a buy rating with a hold action. Furthermore, on Monday, the 14th of October 2024, Wedbush gave UPST an equal weight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Upstart stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Upstart. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and so far it has declined by 1.79%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Upstart stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $81.78 and $73.30. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 52 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Upstart. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $74.99 and $73.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Upstart finds support just below today's level at $74.99. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $73.39 and $64.85. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.28 between its high and low, equating to 6.60%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Upstart, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. While even established companies can face downturns due to factors beyond their control, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate set at 27 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Upstart. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Upstart is at $82.83. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Upstart encounters its first support level at $74.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Upstart from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2025, Giroir Dave conducted an insider sell of 41,667 shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same date, Giroir Dave also conducted an insider buy of 41,667 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of July, 2025, Giroir Dave executed an insider sell of 32,119 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on the 15th of July, 2025, Giroir Dave conducted an insider sell of 9,548 shares of common stock. On the 8th of July, 2025, Mirgorodskaya Natalia executed an insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 13.515. Overall, insiders purchased 804,304 shares and sold 566,774 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $80, indicating a decline of 3.17%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which presents a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Upstart stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Upstart stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of August, we anticipate that Upstart will open higher by approximately 3.5 cents and begin trading at $82.65. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.